The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Alright, viewers and subscribers, Dancehall Skilla there again, big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, so in this video I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that are about an incident where it is said that a member of the Jamaica Defense Force jumped from a moving JDF Jeep just before the motor vehicle plunged into the sea. Now it is said that the incident happened on the 1st of July, the year 2021, and it is said that the incident happened somewhere within the parish of St. James, that is within the country of Jamaica. Well, according to a news article, it is said that the incident happened within Montego Bay, that is within the parish of St. James, that's within the country of Jamaica, and according to one news article, it is said that the soldier escaped with little to no injuries, and in another news article it is said that the soldier escaped the whole incident with no injuries. So what I'm saying to you, a few of these pieces of videos already have been put together and put out there on social media. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put together what I have with what already have been put together and put out there on social media, put them in one and present them all to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a good understanding about this whole incident. So what I'm saying to you, please bear in mind that one of these videos shows how the motor vehicle plunged into the sea, and other pieces of videos shows certain things that happened after. So before I present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
I jump, I see so the flick out die. I see, yeah. Where is it again? Push out it. You put it too close to the rock, you go. Yo, you put it too close to the rock, you go, stop.
Alright, now allegedly it is said that the soldier was trying to avoid an accident, and the soldier turned to avoid the accident, and the motor vehicle went over to the direction of where the sea is at and plunged into the sea. You see me? Allegedly, see me I say, so that's not any confirmed information. Anyways, at least one of these videos have me saying, hey, this person a real soldier, Yeah, the person just jumped from the motor vehicle and just avoid being seriously injured and other things as well. You see me I say, so, the training pay off, So big up the soldier. You see me, I'm glad say I'm alright. I'm glad say I'm okay according to the information that I got. You see me, so big him up, alright? Alright, my people, yeah, so me have a left it. Until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla, no big up on yourself. You see?